What's up, weirdos? What's going on, guys? Let's have a look across the market. Bitcoin's stuck in a very, very tight range, you guys. Very tight range. We're going to have a look at the chart. We're going to see what's going on. We're going to see what's next. But first, let's have a look at these altcoins, guys. Let's see what's going on. A little bit of a correction here so far, except for Cookie, apparently. Cookie just chose violence today. But JASMY down 1.5% on the day, up 10 on the week, 47.5 on the month, but down 8.7 on the year. Down one spot in rank to 83 with a $795 million market cap, 31 million in volume. Swift Coin down 3.5 on the day, up 5.8 on the week, 44 on the month, and 190 on the year. Down four spots in rank to 266, $143 million market cap, 3.36 million in volume. Not bad there. Onyx Coin, down 1.7 on the day, up 2.5 on the week, 84.7 on the month, and 805 on the year. We weren't finished with that yet. Down one spot in rank to 101. $621 million market cap, 38 million in volume. And ZBEX down 5.3% on the day, up 49.8 on the week, 27 on the month, but down 50.7 on the year. Down 12 spots in rank to 336 and $98 million market cap, 14.5 million in volume. Cookie's just going nuts though, guys. Check it out. That is absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. We love Cookie, guys. We got into Cookie early over on the Patreon. You want to get in early on these projects, guys. You want to get in on these gems. You got to be a member of our community. You got to be a member of the Patreon. Looking at Bitcoin. So we're stuck inside this range here, as you can see. Anytime we seem to drop below 93,400, we wick right back up, which means there's a big sell wall right there, right? And then anytime we get above here, 95, we wick right back down. So we've got a big sell wall above and a big buy wall below. Which one is going to cave first? That's the question, right? Which one is weaker? Well, it kind of looks like the sell wall is weaker to me. I think we're going to break to the upside sometime this week. I think we're going to work our way up inside of here between 97 and 98K. Maybe that'll be our next leg up, our next rest stop before breaking this $100,000 level. So it's coming though, guys. It is coming. Now listen, here's the thing. If we do break to the downside, if the buy wall breaks, I would say, we could hit right here around $91,000, right? It's possible we come all the way down to 88. But I don't think so at this point. I think 91 would be kind of where we would get caught. So yeah, if we came down that far, if we fell below 93.4, 91 would probably be, but we seem to have a pretty good one here at 92.8 as well. So, there's a lot of support, guys. There's a lot of support. So that's a good thing. Very good. Bitcoin is showing us a lot of strength right now. That's what we want to see. So we got two potential catalysts this week that I've talked about, right? We got the CPI coming in tomorrow. That could be very, very bullish. That could be what breaks us up to this 97, 98K level. We have the jobs reports coming in on Friday as well. So two potential catalysts to the upside or the downside, depending on how they come out. So yeah. All right, got a quick clip here from Rule Black, my guy Rule Black. Shout out to him. Follow him over on YouTube and X, guys. This is a clip from ZBEX ICO in 2022. Check it out. Just real quick.
That's really the entire kind of point behind this Web3 revolution we're going under right now. And I say it's very much akin to how the internet changed the world in the 1990s, right? The technology wasn't there to pay people by the second, really not until the last decade when the advent of blockchain technology came into the forefront. And particularly in the past years, certain blockchains have made a lot more sense for high-speed, low transaction cost payments. That's exactly what ZBEX built on. So we see the transformation we're going through right now very similar to what the world experienced with the internet in the 90s. That's really
We keep saying it, guys. This is this generation's internet boom. Get in where you fit in, or be left behind. All right, JASMY 2025 roadmap ignites hype. Can it surge 25,200% to $4.47? I'll give you my opinion at the end. So JASMY, the Tokyo-based IoT blockchain cryptocurrency, is making waves in the crypto world with its newly released 2025 roadmap and a bold price prediction from analyst Javin Marks. With promises of a decentralized exchange, so they're launching a DEX, mainnet expansion of Junction, and staking features, JASMY is positioning itself as a key player in the decentralized data economy. But can it achieve the staggering 25,200% price surge to $4.47 as predicted? Sorry, I had to cough there, guys. Still pretty sick. So JASMY Coin's ambitious 2025 roadmap unveiled. On April 28th, 2025, JASMY Corporation dropped its highly anticipated 2025 roadmap, sparking excitement across the crypto community. Announced by CFO Harasan, the roadmap outlines a series of transformative developments for the JASMY ecosystem, including the launch of a DEX, a decentralized exchange, aiming to enhance liquidity and accessibility for JASMY token holders, mainnet expansion, strengthening the blockchain infrastructure to support broader adoption, staking features, this is a big one we've all been waiting for, allowing users to earn rewards by locking up their JASMY tokens and contributing to strengthening the network by contributing to the TVL, the total value locked of the ecosystem. And Junction's token economy, a full-scale initiative to expand the utility of JASMY through various measures. Like, here's the thing, guys. You hear a lot of people talking about JASMY has no utility, or they say, which is ridiculous in itself, or they say that JASMY abandoned, the team abandoned JASMY to work on Junction. They have no idea what they're talking about, right? The roadmap also builds on JASMY's developer program, encouraging developers to create new services and further expand the ecosystem. JASMY, often dubbed Japan's Bitcoin, focuses on democratizing data by combining IoT and blockchain technology. The platform allows users to securely manage and monetize their personal data through IoT devices, and use that and a use case, that has already attracted partnerships with industry giants like Panasonic and Vios. Bold prediction for JASMY. Crypto analyst Javin Marks added fuel to the fire with a bullish prediction forecasting a jaw-dropping 25,200% surge for JASMY to reach $4.47. This target, which Marks has consistently maintained since February, would translate to a 253x increase from the current price. In a recent post on X, Marks emphasized the impressive performance of JASMY following its breakout. He noted that the cryptocurrency has experienced substantial positive volume, which could provide strong support for further bullish momentum toward the project's target. Mark stated. A more than 253x is possible, and this could be one of the greatest and most spectacular market moves that we've seen this bull cycle. Mark's analysis relies heavily on technical indicators, particularly the massive volume spikes observed in late 2024 and confirmed a breakout pattern in JASMY's price chart. He originally shared his $4.47 target on February 8th, 2025, and has continued to reaffirm it through multiple updates, forecasting potential gains as high as 35,000% by March of 2025. Well, that didn't happen. However, it is important to note that this prediction has not undergone peer-reviewed validation and is based on speculative market behavior, marking it as a high-risk outlook. As of the latest data from CoinMarketCap, yeah, we don't need that. We know that already. We already went over it. JASMY's 2025 roadmap ignites. To reach Mark's ambitious $4.47 target, JASMY's market cap would need to soar to approximately $200 billion. This projection has raised skepticism among some community members, giving the massive leap required from the current valuation. A more conservative look, while Mark's prediction is headlined grabbing other analysts offer. Headline grabbing other analysts offer, more tempered views. According to a Challengely report from April 23rd, JASMY is projected to average 2 cents 47 in 2025, with a maximum of 1 cent 8 by December. That doesn't make any sense. So it's supposed to be an average price of 2 cents 47, but it's going to reach 1 cent 8 by December. That doesn't make any sense. Looking further challenged, Challengely estimates 13 cents by 2030. Yeah, no, we're going to skip that because it's not even close. I'm going to tell you what I'm doing a video later today giving my price predictions for JASMY. So you guys are going to want to check that out. So JASMY Coin's roadmap positions it as a promising contender in the IoT blockchain space. With its focus on secure data management and partnerships with industry leaders, the introduction of staking, a DEX, a mainnet expansion could drive adoption and boost JASMY's value, as Mark suggests, by increasing the token's utility within the ecosystem. However, the path to $4.47 is steep. The crypto market remains volatile. The JASMY's success will hinge on broader market trends, the execution of its roadmap, and overcoming skepticism about its market potential. JASMY is at a pivotal moment with its 2025 roadmap and the buzz around Javin Mark's prediction. While the potential for growth is evident, the 25,200% surge to $4.47 remains speculative. Yes. Well, guys, I am doing a JASMY price prediction video that's coming out later today. I will give you a hint, okay? I firmly do not agree with this price prediction of $4.47 in this bull run. So that I will leave you with that, right? For now. And my JASMY price prediction video is coming out later today. I'll give you an explanation as to why I feel it's going where it's going, and where I feel it's not going. Okay, so check that out. Quick shout out to the channel sponsor, Decent Self-Custody Wallet. Use my link down below. Get yourself a fantastic deal on your self-custody wallet, guys. Not your keys, not your coins, right? Not safe to leave your crypto on exchanges. Also, guys, one of the biggest questions I've been getting asked frequently, Rob, where should I be exiting my JASMY, stuff like that? Listen, we're helping everybody with exit strategies and profit-taking plans right now. We're teaching people over on the Patreon how to identify where liquidity is in the market so that you can get out with your profits intact, okay? We don't teach you how to time the top over there, guys. We teach you how to not be everybody else's exit liquidity. If that is something that interests you, if you don't want to be other communities' exit liquidity and you want to learn how to identify where the liquidity is in the market so that your sell orders fill and that you can get out ahead of everybody else, come on over and learn from the best in the business, guys. We've been around for multiple cycles. We have a massive community. We're live every single day on the Patreon. You can book one-on-one coaching calls with me personally if you need a more personalized touch. And we drop microcap gem videos, get in early on projects, and educational content, which is very, very important. Learn something new about this space every single day and become a better trader and investor. The link is down below, guys. Click like if you like this video. Click subscribe if you really liked it. I'll see you guys in the next one. God bless.